Good morning. I'm Ralph Lucas. I'm with the operations section of Alan Sinclair's Type 1 Incident Management Team. I'm going to give you an operational update of the Riverside Fire. Today is Saturday, the 19th of September. So looking at the map, a lot has changed. There's a lot of symbols out here. And all those do is just break us into nice little chunks of property for each one of our divisions who supervise the firefighters on the ground. This long line here with the barbells on either end, those are zone breaks. And what we did is we are in a lot of communication with our sister fires, those being the Lions Head Fire and the Beachy Creek Fire. So we put in zones so that we know everything above the line is ours, everything below the line is theirs as far as laying out how these fires are. So what's going on around the fire? In Division Whiskey, you can see this black dotted line. That is a dozer line or a control feature. Our firefighters are going in a little tighter off of that control feature and working that line. It's looking real good. Over here in Division Z or Zulu, firefighters are on the ground. This is very intricate work in here, folks, and we have a lot of resources in there. This one right here has taken a lot of folks really down on the ground and working the fire's edge. This is also looking very good. Up here in Division Alpha A, same thing, except they're going the opposite direction. So the theory is they would close in like this together. We call this a horseshoe. That's like a little name that we use. So they're working the horseshoe. This is a spot fire. It's quite sizable. It's like 450 acres. It is fully contained and has black line around it. And we are on the patrol and monitor status on that spot fire. Moving up into Division C, which is Charlie. Again, you folks are seeing a lot of black showing up on the map, and that's considered containment. Folks are in here still working some areas, but this is looking excellent. And they'll be patrolling and holding that. Moving on over into Division F, which is Foxtrot, and K, which is Kilo, we are using heavy machinery and moving along this dotted line and implementing a plan to create a control feature right there, as well as putting folks on the ground and working this area to stop this fire and extinguish it. Here in this area, it's a little problematic simply because we're trying to create a control feature between two wildernesses, which is shaded in this green. And this is like a little two-track road. So we're having to use forestry equipment like masticators, feller bunchers, loaders, and things like that to clear that out as a control feature and then move all the way down this dotted line to a gravel pit that's way down here. At which point we will tie in with the folks from Lionhead with their proposed line and create a control feature all the way around this fire. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.